Hey, good evening. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of how our truck is faring and what's going on. That's going to do a really, really fast update. It's Friday night. I am actually in the shop in Lima, Ohio. Yesterday we had our truck fixed at the Petro in Rochelle. We got the air dryer replaced, the governor replaced. That worked out really well. They got the part in around noon, and we were gone, within an hour. So they did a really good job. And then our next stop was we drove over to Fort Wayne, Indiana last night. Went to the Thermoking there, and we decided that Judy was going to go with her sisters and her mom and niece and my daughter today. And so my daughter came over and got her last night, and so about 11 o'clock. And then we went to the Thermoking there and stayed all night outside their parking lot, and got up this morning 8 o'clock. Didn't really know what was going on with the refrigeration unit, and they took it in the shop. Within 20 minutes, they determined it was a motor mount on our engine, and they fixed that. A couple other little minor things. They replaced a belt. There was a very minor oil leak that they fixed, and we got all that taken care of. And by noon, I was basically back on the road. And we got over here, and on the way home, the mill light came on, the yellow light. It's not the stop engine or the check engine light or the stop engine light, but it's the other one. And so we were really close here to Lima, and I decided to bring the truck on down here to the shop. So it's taken them a while to get it in, but they're working on it now, and it's probably a faulty, just a glitch, or it could possibly be a knock sensor. So that's what they're checking for. And then once they get us done, hopefully tonight, so I can go home, I'll go on home for the evening. Judy is out having fun with her family, and I'm here in the shop, but that's just the way it goes. I'm so glad she got to go spend time with our daughter and all the rest of her family. So we'll keep you updated, but right now we're just sort of patiently waiting. Again, patience is a virtue, but we're just patiently waiting in the shop, and hopefully we'll be on the wrong road soon. And another update. Well, we're out of the shop. It was just a glitch, I guess. They didn't. They ran a regen on the truck. It passed. Everything looks good. So the mill light is out, and so now I'm going to head home. Got about 4 hours to get there. It's about 60 miles away. So we're going to head on home and put this video out there, and hopefully we'll get back to our normal videos tomorrow. I don't like being in the truck without Judy, and I'm sort of missing her at the moment. So we've been around each other for over 30 some years, and you sort of get used to them. So all right, well, everybody have a good night, and we'll continue on tomorrow. Good night.